Well, I'm terribly afraid none of that was videotaped. This is the result. Well, kind of. This is actually the result. I revived my knocker. And then I talked about boring this out to where this fits in there, a nice loose fit. And then I talked about doing something with this big piece of aluminum, making a vessel with a screw top, and then putting 3 vessels inside of that vessel with screw tops. Collecting my brass. Retrieved the shotgun shells from behind the bench with my long magnet thingamajigger, and I scratched my back. With my bamboo back scratcher. Okay, I'm going to try to patch. I still got a good ½ inch to go. I'm going to try to patch some actual machining into this video, which you just watched. I thought I edited all this out. Just a toy. Huh. Well. Here we go. Okay. Well, I need to make a little more. I need to make a little more room. So, in other words, I need to push this into the chuck a little deeper. Okay, now I think okay, the story is this thing broke. There's a threaded rod going through here. There's all these plates that have been lapped to do ever. And it busted off here. I removed a piece of 12L14 that was in there and trimmed the threaded rod down enough to get this screwed back on and Loctited it. And then I continued on to get this trued up. So I really probably needed to revisit this anyway, because that copper portion doesn't look all that great. So I'm set at 0 here. I'm gonna do 20 thousandths. Do about 700 RPMs. Let's watch that copper. Probably took a little much off of that. Just shorten the life of the tool. Put my hand ready down here on the half nut lever. Okay, we're going to turn that around now and match up the other end. And anybody remember what I put in there? How many thousandths of an inch did I do? Let's see if I can do it this way. Okay, I think I did 20 thousandths. Let's try that. So let me get a 0 here. Yep, 21.5. Okay, that's better than my first round, actually, I think. I need to treat these ends, I'm sorry. I'm gonna grab my lathe file, my new favorite, one of my new favorite tools. The lathe file was apparently made specifically for a lathe. Did I go a little bit overboard there? I believe I did. Let me demonstrate what I probably should have done. In reality, all I needed to do was take the chuck key out. Okay, now we have our knocker. And now, no doubt, it will almost go inside there. Okay, one revived knocker. There's no lead shot in there, anything like that. If I can grab these long pieces of aluminum, I can pick everything else up with the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, we'll clean it up later. Well, after I turn the video off. Okay, that was trying to make amends for not pushing the right buttons. Please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend.